Good afternoon and welcome again to TryMake Video Tech Tips. Today we will work on creating a walkthrough animation in SOLIDWORKS. There are two ways of creating a walkthrough animation, and on this video we will cover the first one. What you can see on the screen is the world's easiest maze, where we have an entrance and an exit. And we're going to create a walkthrough animation where we will see the perspective of a camera traveling through the maze. To begin with, we're going to click on the Display Manager. Then we're going to right-click on the walkthrough icon and select Add Walkthrough. A new Options panel will appear. In Viewport Settings, we're going to select the plane on which the camera will be standing. In this case, this will be the top plane. Then we're going to select the distance from the top plane to the location of the camera. In this case, we'll input 1 meter. Finally, we can select the motion constraints. Here we can define the path that the camera will follow. I have previously created a sketch that will guide us through the maze, so we will select the sketch as our motion constraint. Now I will click on Start Walkthrough, and a new menu will appear. This menu shows me how to move the camera freely on the plane. I can move to the front, to the back. I can turn around and start recording whenever I want. However, if I want to move through our predefined sketch, I can simply select it on the Constraints panel. Now, I can walk through our predefined sketch by simply pressing front or back. Additionally, I can start recording my animation by clicking on the Record button. Finally, I can save my recording. Click on Generate Video and save the recording on my computer. This brings us to the end of our video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Be sure to tune in next week where we will show you a second alternative to create a walkthrough animation.